Y'all, it's starting to get real. I have less than 48 hours in New York.
Simply Cheryl, simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me. She got a vibe for you.
I just want a roughneck nigga on the top. Bitch wanna see me automatic with a drop. She's so sweet, nigga, when I lick the rapper. Let them taste the pussies and I can come out right after.
Welcome to the moving vlog part 2, y'all. Right now it's about 12:30. Your girl been up since about 6:30 this morning. But you know when you're anxious and you have like a lot on your mind and like exciting things to do, it's hard for you to sleep. I have a few errands that I need to take care of. I'm gonna go to the post office because I need a change of address. I have a 1:45 eye doctor appointment. And then I'm gonna go to Home Depot to get some more boxes because that's what's prolonging the move. Mom was getting boxes from like the dollar stores and stuff. FYI, if you're looking for boxes when you're moving, go over to like the dollar stores, and when they break down all of the boxes, they usually just toss them, but you could go there and get them for free. So we've been doing that for, they don't have any, so I'm just gonna buy them. Here, as you can see, my room is getting pretty packed. It's looking very vacant. I don't have much left except for just taking my bed down. Still trying to sell it, but it's not looking too promising right now. I was thinking about selling my dresser mirror and the desk that goes with it, only because I don't know, I want to start over. Less is best, like I said, and I don't want to bring too much to the new place. So I've been trying to get on my hustle and sell that as well. But for the most part, everything is coming along. I did take a little break because I was getting a little overwhelmed, and I pampered myself. Got my lashes done yesterday, and we got the nails together because, you know, it's New Year's and I wanted to start my New Year's feeling good, looking good, smelling good. I was also trying to register the kids with their new school. Y'all, I didn't know it was such a process. I got all of that done. I'm waiting for an answer. Hopefully they'll call me back before today or tomorrow to let me know if it's a go, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a go. Or nothing though, y'all. It's the perfect day to go out and do everything because it is 63 degrees in New York today. This vlog is basically just trying to wrap up the rest of the house. The living room is vacant. I just have to break down the couch, but I didn't want to do that. We have nowhere to sit. I go to Home Depot, remind me y'all to get some boxes for my plates and stuff, but I don't really have a lot of plates and cups and stuff like that. I just have my pots that I want to take. I find myself getting excited, then I find myself getting overwhelmed, and then I find myself like second guessing, like, do I really want to do this? But I know it's the right move. These are all good problems. I have to look back, like, I wasn't in this predicament last year. You know what I mean? So everything happens for a reason when it's supposed to happen. It's a bittersweet moment. I'm no longer gonna be a New Yorker, but I'm always gonna be a New Yorker at heart, y'all. It's really getting real for me. Like, reality is setting in that I'm not gonna be here. Like, everything I know and everything I come from and everything I stand for, I'm leaving it behind. How many more days till we move to our new house? 2 days.
2 days.
Are you excited?
Yes.
You excited?
Yes.
What are you most excited about for our new move, and what are you saddest about?
The saddest about leaving here is leaving my school and my friends and stuff like that. And my family.
I'm sad about leaving my family.
Shout outs to the crew. I'm not even gonna lie. Shout outs to the crew because they were so helpful. Majority of these boxes, the kids did. And if you take your hair out one more time, she literally just did her hair. She'll take it out like 5 times and she's still not satisfied. $7 for a box.
Oh shit! I just read it.
Oh my God. Back at the house, I was able to go to my eye doctor appointment. Also went to the post office and I got my change of address slips. Right now I'm just gonna get rid of the clothes that's over there, put it in the box. My mom's here. Home Depot is ridiculous. $7 for one box. So I got 4 boxes. The rest of the stuff we're just gonna put them in like garbage bags, and I have those bags. What's those bags called? Yeah, we got those bags.
The heavy duty, hefty bag, flatten them down. You can put 5 winter coats in one bag and it flats down like a pan.
My grandma, my aunt's here right now. They're actually gonna take down the bunk beds for us, and I'm gonna give my bunk beds to my little cousins because we were just gonna throw it out anyway. So they're over there doing that. We're not gonna take a lot of this stuff. I don't know. I'm gonna probably just get new pots and pans and stuff. But my mom did give me a new kitchen set, so I'm gonna take that for sure. But I have some containers without lids and stuff, and it's just pointless. I can't stand putting food away and putting foil on it. That's just so ghetto, you know? So I'm gonna do that. I don't think I got that bubble wrap paper. I don't know, y'all. We might have to do this tomorrow. Right when I thought that, you know, we were getting somewhere, I forgot about the closets. I don't see much of the closets because that's where we throw a lot of stuff at. A lot of Justice's toys. We actually threw out some like last week, but there's still so much. And I'm not bringing all of that where I'm going. I'm just not gonna do it. So we about to do a little toy giveaway. This is a whole hot mess right here. This closet is not that bad. Again, it's just like a lot of toys and boxes and portraits and tables. But, oh God.
7 hours later.
Did an amazing job.
Mommy, can't see our new house. It's my new room.
You're gonna see our new house in a few days.
The room is empty now, basically, except for the dresser and stuff.
Yeah, everything is empty in here. Their closet is empty. We just have the vacuum in there and whatever. We're not even gonna bother painting because this house is super old. But yeah, we got that out of here. I'm probably gonna get rid of this dresser, even though it's a nice dresser. This nice dresser, and probably give it to Juju because it's really nice. And that's pretty much it. So they're all ready. They're all packed up, and now we have the remainder of the house. Look at Nanny up there. Don't you fall, Nanny. Don't you fall.
I won.
I'm supposed to be doing the work, and I got everybody over here doing the work. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yes. Teamwork, teamwork.